Okay, so you should have your document pulled up, and you should also have Desmos graphing calculator pulled up. So if you don't have Desmos up right now, go ahead and get her ready. Okay, so you're first going to complete this Math IXL, and then once you get down here, we have our inequality. We're going to make a typed solution, and then we're going to take a screenshot of what we see in Desmos. Now, if you notice, if I type in this inequality into Desmos, I get a little warning sign, and it says they can't do this. So what we're going to do is break our inequality into two pieces. So I'm going to put this first part, so my left part and the middle, in one box. And then I'm going to find the middle part and the right, and I'm going to put it in the other box. So all I did again, I typed this in this blue box here, and then I typed this in this green box here. Now, Desmos does the work for me. I can see that I have a point at -1 and at 3. And where my region is double shaded with the blue and the green, that's what my solution is. So I start at -1 here. This is a solid line. So that means I'm going to have -1 is less than or equal to x. And I stop at 3. And again, it's a solid line. So I'd have x is less than or equal to 3. So all of my solutions are in between -1 and 3, which I can see here. All of these numbers in this double shaded region are in between -1 and 3. And then you'll take a screenshot of this and put it in this box here. Let's do the next one together too. This one's a little bit easier. So I've got x plus 2 is less than -4. And then I have -4 minus 5x is less than -15. Okay, so again, all I did was put these two inequalities into Desmos. Now I see that I have two separate inequalities, and that makes sense because this is an OR inequality. So if I'm looking here, this is -6, and all of these numbers are less than -6 because when you move left on the number line, those numbers are getting smaller. So my numbers are less than -6. This is a dotted line, which is telling me that I'm going to just write x is less than -6. If it's a solid line, I would use this symbol here, less than or equal to, but it's a dotted line or a dashed line, so I'm going to put x is less than -6. Now for this guy here, I have 2.2, and all of my numbers to the right here are greater than 2.2. So I would say, or x is greater than 2.2. And then that's all you have to do. Again, this is a dashed line, so that's indicating to me that I'm using this inequality sign. That is all you're going to do for the typed solution. And you would take a screenshot of this and then upload that to this document. Go ahead and now do the remaining two the same way. If you need to restart the video or go back to certain parts, go ahead and do that. But your task now is to finish the rest of this document.